Hello and welcome back to Strategic IT Solutions. In today's video, we will be discussing AWS Key Pairs. A key pair consists of a private and a public key, and it's basically a set of security credentials that you use to prove your identity when you are connecting to an instance. So when you are launching an instance in AWS, you are prompted for a key pair. You can either create a key pair or you can use an existing key pair that you've already have in AWS. So EC2 stores the public key and you will keep your private key in a secure location, and you can also use passphrase along with the private key, but the private key is used instead of just using a password. Anyone who possesses this private key will be able to connect to your instance if you have a passphrase in conjunction with the private key. It is even more secure. So there are two ways to get your keys into AWS. You can either create your key in AWS or you can import it into AWS. So importing it basically means that you create your keys outside of AWS, maybe using PuTTY Key Generator. And I have a video on how to create your keys using PuTTY Key Generator. I can leave a link to that for you right here, but those are the two ways. So now I'm going to show you how to create your key in AWS, and I'll also show you how you can import your key into AWS. So now I'm going to show you how you can create your key pair to encrypt your instances. So from services, you're going to click on EC2. And on the left side, you're going to scroll down to Key Pairs. And here you see I have two key pairs already created. You probably won't have any. So you're going to click Create Key Pair. You're going to give it a name. And we can call this Protected. Protected key. And we're going to be using PuTTY primarily to log into our instances. So we're going to keep it with the PPK file format. And you're going to click Create Key Pair. Now you're able to download that and save it. So now you have the private key, and you will encrypt your instances, protect your instances with the public key, and you have the private key which you'll use to get into them. So that's it. That's how you create your key pair. You may also choose to just import a key pair rather than creating it in AWS. And to do that, you will just click Actions and click Import Key. And I have a video on how I created this key using PuTTY Key Generator. You can check that video out right here. But you basically would just create your key in PuTTY Key Generator, and you will browse and select all files. And I have a DMZ key that I created in PuTTY Key Generator. I'm going to click that, click Open, and it uploads that key here. And we want to give it a name, and I'm going to keep the same name, DMZ key, and import. And it's that simple. So you have the option of creating your key in AWS, or you can create it with PuTTY Key Generator and just import it into AWS. And those are your options for key pairs in AWS. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Leave a comment below. Let me know what you think, and I'll see you in the next one.